Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you up that how you can use TorSox proxy, like TorSox for your proxy, which is by default open on 9050 port for your Python scripts or whatsoever purpose you want to use it. So how you can do that for Win and especially this video is for Windows because in Linux, it is very quite simple. There are command line utilities which you can just install or else you can just use it by your package manager. So it is quite simple, but it is like it requires a bit of configuration for Windows. So here I am with it. So firstly what you will want is you will have to download the Tor browser and just reverse, like you have to just go into the folder where your Tor browser is located. So mine is is in desktop, and in desktop it is Tor browser, and then finally I have to go to browser. Then from browser I have to go to Tor browser, and then finally from browser Tor browser to Tor directory I have to move in, and then this is the exe which I'll be finding, like which I'm looking for is tor.exe. Then finally if I just click on this address bar over here and just type in cmd, then the location at this cmd will be opened up, and then if I type in tor over here and just press in enter, I'm not able to find in any messages over here. So this is the current bug of like with this tor. So to just see the tor, like tor messages, what you have to you have to use in pipe operator, and you have to bind in the more utility with it. So now if you see, now if you'll be able to see the logs of this store.exe, right? And now if I just see what is going on. Like I'm not able to start in my tor services because it is asking me like is my tor currently running. So this is the, like this also, this error you also might get. So I'll be just uh, troubleshooting it, and I'll be showing you that what might have gone wrong. So now if I check over here, like here I cannot find my tor.exe, and you will have to check for each and every program. And if you are if you have configured proxy in your Firefox or any other browser, then you have to check, and you have to just click on end task if you just find tor.exe over there. But for me, I had accidentally closed the after starting tor in one of the command prompts, so it might be lying it over here somewhere after s or something like this, after the services which is starting by s, which peak of course come afterwards. So I'm just saying, so like here for me it is over here, and like it might be also for you if you have accidentally closed. I don't know why this bug is, but the tor doesn't exit after just closing its parent process, and it becomes zombie process or something like this. I don't know what, but in short you have to just click on exit end task over here, and then finally if you run at wherever location you want to run, then it will be starting over here. And now if I just check in over here, I am not able to find it over here, but now if I'll see in my command prompt, I'll be able to see tor.exe over here it over now, right? So after doing this much and just confirming that your listener, your socks tor socks listener is open at 9050 port, now you can use in any of your like Python scripts where whatsoever you want to use. So for an instance, I'll be just showing you a small thing wherein I'm just fetching in my like I'm making the get request for the website. It is ipapi.com, and I'm just fetching the JSON from it, which will basically give my geolocations for my of course exit node, and IP address for like my external IP address for the same. So let me rerun this program, and then finally I'll be able to find in where I'm currently. So I'm currently, my exit node is in Germany, and my external IP address in this query, this is my external IP address. So yeah, I mean this is how basically you can use this API to get in the JSON, like to get the response in the JSON form, and you can analyze that your like proxy is exactly working fine. So yeah, I mean that's that. Like if here, if like for example here in your country you get India or something like that. Of course I'm living in India, so for me I get any India over here, and in my region I get anything like Anand, Ahmedabad, something like this. Then the things might not be working for me. So you will have to check that, and then finally you can move on. So for this video, this was this was it, guys. So if you have got any sort of query, if you have got any sort of suggestions, you can drop in the comments down below. And other than that, if you have any sort of query related Tor, do comment in if possible. And if actually if I have figured it out, I'll let you know, or else I'll try for it, and if I'm able to figure out, I'll make the video for the same, or then I'll reply, or I'll do something whatsoever I can do. And if I'll succeed in that, I'll also make the video and keep you posted. So yeah, I mean, that is it for it, guys. See you around, guys. Thank you.